How did Enron fool Wall Street with billions in fake profits? It all came down to accounting. While most investors saw record earnings, analysts who understood the statements saw red flags buried in the footnotes. Because in finance, accounting isn't just numbers, it's your X-ray vision. And the best part? You don't need a degree to read between the lines. Just the right, practical training. Welcome to the Accounting for Financial Analysts course, a practical, Excel-based program that teaches you the exact concepts analysts use on the job. Designed by the Rajvidya, an industry expert trusted by 100,000+ learners across 100+ countries. In this course, you'll learn how to read and break down real annual reports, build the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, understand EPS, shareholders' equity, and comprehensive income, master key topics like income taxes and lease accounting, all taught through Excel plus real-world examples, so you learn by doing. Once you complete the course, you will earn a certificate to showcase your expertise. This isn't just another accounting course. It's a career-focused training program to help you stand out in finance. Our courses are trusted by thousands across the globe, from students to working professionals. So why wait? Enroll now and start building the knowledge that powers real-world financial decisions.